Belzona 4111 is a three-part epoxy repair composite designed for repair, resurfacing, and protection of concrete and stonework. This material provides outstanding chemical and abrasion resistance and protection from environmental attack, simplifying maintenance procedures. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to mix a bucket of Belzona 4111. For this mixing, you will need a mechanical hand mixer. First, open the Belzona 4111 bucket and take out all the components. The Belzona 4111 bucket contains all the necessary components for the mix. As always, make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for use that comes with each product. Empty the entire contents of Belzona 4151 base and solidifier into the mixing bucket and start mixing both components together using a mechanical mixer. Once both components are thoroughly mixed, start adding Belzona 4111 aggregate into the mix in small portions. Continue mixing until all the aggregate is fully incorporated into the mix and the desired consistency is achieved. The amount of added aggregate determines the final consistency of the mixed product. Once the product is mixed, it's ready for the planned application on potholes, expansion joints, walls, foundations, containment areas, floors. To get more information about Belzona 4111, visit www.belzona.com.